As a business owner, you don't really get PR packages, but I wanted to show you one of our favorite black and white coffees here in North Carolina. They do a fantastic job. So this will be on the shelf soon. Soft florals, sweet citrus, black currant, oolong. We've got their holiday blend, fresh orange, mulled wine, cinnamon roll, baking spices. Sounds really good. And one of my favorite things about them, I think there's one more in here. One of my favorite things about them is when you order, you get as many samples as you want. Obviously, you get one sample per, but this is a great way for us to try them, to taste them without having to spend tons of money if we don't really like them.